Click on the link below to get price. The Generac Guardian 22 kW home standby generator is designed to provide reliable backup power for homes during outages, ensuring that essential appliances and systems remain operational. With an emphasis on convenience and performance, this generator stands out in the market of home standby power solutions. At its core, the Generac Guardian generator operates automatically, which means it can detect power loss and activate itself within seconds. This automatic operation is a significant advantage for homeowners who may not be home during an outage. It provides peace of mind knowing that the generator will take action without needing manual intervention. One of the defining features of this model is its robust power output. The 22 kilowatts capacity is sufficient for most households, allowing it to run large appliances, heating or cooling systems, and even multiple devices simultaneously. This capability makes it suitable for a variety of homes, from smaller residences to larger family homes requiring more extensive power support. In terms of installation, the Generac Guardian generator is designed for ease. It typically requires a professional installation to ensure that it is safely connected to the home's electrical system and complies with local codes. Once installed, it interfaces with an automatic transfer switch, which seamlessly transfers power from the generator to the home when needed. Additionally, this generator is equipped with advanced features, such as a self-test capability, which allows it to run diagnostic checks weekly. This feature helps ensure that the generator is always ready to perform when needed. The engine is engineered for durability and efficiency, providing reliable service over the years, further contributing to its appeal. Furthermore, the Generac Guardian is built with a focus on noise reduction. While operating, it generates less noise compared to many other generators in its class, which can be an important consideration for homeowners concerned about sound levels during use. In summary, the Generac Guardian 22 kW home standby generator offers a blend of reliability, power capacity, and user-friendly features. Its automatic operation, robust output, and thoughtful design make it a solid choice for homeowners looking for dependable backup power solutions. Whether it's for peace of mind during storm season or for unexpected outages, this generator aims to deliver consistent performance when it matters most.